If we were to explore some end-of-arm like automation, it'd be hard for me to make a big investment, and not just the equipment, but also by people spending hours or days or years learning it. So for them to be able to go to a facility, play with the technology, get exposure to somebody who's an expert in utilizing and operating the technology, and then be able to bring that back and integrate it seamlessly, it's just a huge, huge value.
Hello everyone, I'm Amy Thompson, CCAT's Chief Talent and Training Officer. We are here at Westminster Tool to discover and share with you how they integrated a robotic arm with their wire EDM to produce parts completely automated on overnight shifts and weekends to achieve lights out manufacturing.
The robot itself is more or less programmed to the machine, so you're just saying, hey, grab this pallet, use this tool, and then the communication's already there. What I do mainly with the programming side is I utilize it to streamline and keep work going. So for example, yesterday I was able to run 4 parts after hours by loading them up on different pallets. I can also use chain programs, so I can actually run 2 jobs back to back. It's extremely efficient with long run times. So we do have a block that runs for 70 hours. So I will literally set it up Friday afternoon and it'll wrap up Sunday night into Monday morning when I get in. Whereas if I had to sit there and load everything, you're talking a whole week's worth of work, and basically we did it when no one was here. I guess what it saves is having to do second shifts and add in resources, which then adds to your overhead, but it just allows you to put more through, and at the end of the day, the more you can put through, the more successful the company will be.